Donald Sawyer, D-O-N-A-L-D, S-A-W-Y-E-R.
Donald, what do you over 500 people will be out of work?
It's pretty awful. We already have, a bunch of us out there looking for work. And now there'll be 500 more competing for work. So it's a pretty bad thing for the manpower.
Is it sad for city business?
Sure, I mean, everybody, all them people down there buy stuff at stores and restaurants, stuff like that. So, we won't be ordering pizzas or stuff like that. So it's going to be pretty bad.
And this is a big business employing 500 people in Nampa. To lose this big business, do you think it's going to impact the economy here?
Sure, yeah. I mean, it's already, Canyon County's already bad off with jobs, so of course it would, hurt us a lot. So,
anything else you'd like to add?
Just watch my YouTube video.
Great. Thank you so much, Donald. Nice meeting you.
Just edit that out. What time are you going to be on?
We're going to be on it.
If it's going to be on there.
It's going to be on at 10 and then again at 5, 5:30.
Think I'll be on there?
Yeah, I'll cut you up. I'll put you in there.
Okay. Except for the stuttering.
No, you were fine. Nice meeting you.
So, all right.